Hi everyone, welcome to GK's math classes. From today onwards, I am going to start a crash course for all engineering entrance examinations. Topic wise important and most recurring questions are discussed, and tips and shortcuts are also provided in this channel. So do follow. If 3, 4 minus 2, 3 are two vertices of an equilateral triangle, then the third vertex is, that is the question. The third vertex of an equilateral triangle having x1, y1 and x2, y2 are two of its vertices is x1 plus x2 by 2 plus or minus root 3 y1 minus y2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2 minus or plus root 3 x1 minus x2 by 2. This is the formula. Now substitute 3 minus 2 by 2 plus or minus root 3 4 minus 3 by 2, comma, 4 plus 3 by 2 minus or plus root 3 x1 minus x2 by 2. Now 3 minus 2, 1 by 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2, comma, 7 by 2 minus or plus root 3 5 by 2. So if you take plus 1 plus root 3 by 2, comma, 7 minus 5 root 3 by 2. If you take plus here, you have to take minus here. Next, 1 minus root 3 by 2, comma, 7 plus 5 root 3 by 2 is another point. In the given options, which one is that? In the third option, we have 1 minus root 3 by 2, 7 plus 5 root 3. Now 2, 4, 4, 2 are two extremities of the hypotenuse of a right angled isosceles triangle. Then the third vertex is. In the previous question, I taught if two vertices of an equilateral triangle are given, then the third vertex. The formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 plus or minus root 3 into y1 minus y2 by 2. y1 plus y2 by 2 minus or plus root 3 into x1 minus x2 by 2. Clear? Here, the third vertex is x1 plus x2 by 2 plus or minus y1 minus y2 by 2. That's all. No root 3 here. y1 plus y2 by 2 minus or plus x1 minus x2 by 2. Now 2 plus 4 by 2 plus or minus 4 minus 2 by 2. 4 plus 2 by 2 minus or plus 2 minus 4 by 2. Consider this is x1 y1 and that is x2 y2. So 4 plus 2, 6 by 2, 3 plus or minus 2 by 2, 1. 6 by 2, 3 minus or plus 2 minus 4 minus 2 by 2 minus 1. So 3 plus or minus 1, 3 minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus 1. So you have 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 is another one. So you have 4, 4, 2, 2. 4, 4, 2, 2 is first option. The same formula can be used for a square when the extremities of a diagonal are given, these two, we can easily find the other two vertices using the same formula. It is meant for square. Now, A11, B4, 5, C6, 13, then cos A. Now consider this. Here we have O00, A x1, y1, B x2, y2. Then we have with us the formula OA into OB cos angle AOB is equal to x1 x2 plus y1 y2, right? Now first A11, first we have to write A11 here, and here B4 5 and C 6 comma 30. But here 0 0 is there, here we are having 1 1, so subtract 1 1, automatically it will become 0 0. Subtract 1 1, it will become 3 comma 4. Subtract 1 1, it will become 5 comma 12. Now OA, this is distance between 2 points, root 3 square plus 4 square into root 5 square plus 12 square cos angle BAC means cos A is equal to x1 x2 3 into 5 plus y1 y2 12 into 4. So this is 9 plus 16 square root 5, 25 plus 144 169 square root 13, cos A is equal to 15 plus 48. 65 cos A is equal to 48, 58, 63. So cos A is equal to 63 by 65, that is second choice. If 1, 1, 3, 4 are vertices of a parallelogram whose center is 5, 4, then the other vertices are, see the figure, A11, B34 are two vertices and CD are written here. Center means the point of intersection of diagonals, that is 5, 4. Find C and D. So to find C, 2 into midpoint minus 1 end, that is 2 into 5, 4 minus 1, 1. So you have 2 5s are 10 minus 1, 2 4s are 8 minus 1. So that is 9, 7. So D, 2 into midpoint minus 1 end, 2 into 5, 4 minus 3, 4. So 10 minus 3 and 8 minus 4. 10 minus 3 is 7, 8 minus 4 is 4. 9, 7 and 7, 4. Third choice is the right choice. The harmonic conjugate of 4, minus 2 with respect to 2, minus 4 and 7, 1. First you write here 2, minus 4 and 7, 1. Which point is dividing 4, minus 2? First, we have to find the ratio in which 4, minus 2 divides the line joining 2 points. The ratio. What is the ratio? 2 minus 4 by 4 minus 7. That is minus 2 by minus 3. That is 2 is to 3. Actually, the point divides in the ratio 2 is to 3. But the required point has to divide it in the ratio 2 is to minus 3. That is external division. So, harmonic conjugate is equal to 2 into 7 minus, because we are taking external point, 3 into 2 by 2 minus 3. 2 into 1 minus into minus is plus, 3 into 4 by 2 minus 3. This is 14 minus 6 by minus 1, 2 plus 12 by minus 1. So 14 minus 6 is 8, 8 by minus 1 is minus 8. This is minus 14. Minus 8 minus 14 is in third choice. The points D, E, F are the midpoints of the sides BC, CA, AB of a triangle ABC respectively. So these are ABC vertices. D is the midpoint of BC, E is the midpoint of CA, F is the midpoint of AB. Okay, respective. A minus 2 comma 3. D 1 comma minus 4. E minus 5 comma 2. We are required to find F. See, join. Now, to find F, add A plus D, subtract E. F is equal to A plus D minus E. A minus 2 comma 3 plus 1 comma minus 4 minus 5 comma 2. Take the abscissa. Minus 2 plus 1 minus of minus 5 plus 5. 3 minus 4 minus 2. So 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. So 4 comma minus 3 is second choice. The sum of the squares of the sides of a triangle 32. Then the sum of the squares of the medians of the triangle is. Median is the line joining the midpoint of one side and its opposite vertex is the median. So AD, BE and CF are the medians. Sum of the squares of the medians. So AD square plus BE square plus CF square. Sum of the squares of the medians is equal to 3 by 4 sum of the squares of its sides. AB square plus BC square plus CA square. That is 3 by 4 into sum of the squares of the sides given 32. 4 8s are 8 3s are 24. That is second choice. A 2 comma 3. B minus 2 minus 5. C minus 4 comma 6. Draw a triangle. A 2 comma 3. B minus 2 minus 5. C minus 4 comma 6. P is a point on BC. Here P is the point. Such that AP bisects the angle A. So it bisects. AP is the angular bisector. That means A by 2, A by 2. We are required to find the point P. How we are going to solve? See here. 2 plus 2, 4 square. 3 plus 5, 8 square. So here 64 plus 16. 64 plus 16. Root 80, that is 4 root 5. Next, root 2 plus 4, 6 square. 3 minus 6, that is minus 3 whole square. 3 square. 36 plus 9, 45, that is 3 root 5. 4 root 5 is to 3 root 5 is 4 is to 3. Find the point which divides it in the ratio 4 is to 3. 4 4s are minus 16, 3 2s are minus 6 by 4 plus 3. Right? 4 6 are 24, 3 5s are minus 15 by 4 plus 3. Internal division. This is minus 22 by 7 and 9 by 7. So where is minus 22 by 7, 9 by 7? It is first choice.